Hey, Garrett here with a quick look at the Gaia Yoga Blocks. These are a set of really high quality, high durability yoga blocks that are perfect for a number of sort of balance and strength training, yoga poses, and just different techniques where you need to have yoga blocks. They're comfortable, they have a little bit of give to them, but they're also really durable. So if I put my entire weight on this, it really doesn't want to crush or flex too much. Has just enough to train kind of that balance and stability without completely crumbling under your weight. It is again, a nice kind of durable, non-slip material. So right now I'm kind of pushing against it on the floor, and it's really hard with some weight on it to get this thing to slip and slide. With the 2-pack, you've got a number of different things that you can do. Different two-handed poses and things, different strength and core strengthening and training and balance exercises and things you can do. Really like the kind of the beveled edges on this too. Just makes it a little bit easier to kind of grip for certain different exercises where you want to kind of get your hands and your fingers around things when you're applying weight to it. So again, applying my full weight to it there, you can kind of see how much that doesn't really want to give or flex or break or anything. Had these for a long time. You can see they've been used quite a bit, but they have not failed or broken. Still, they're also pretty lightweight also, so not a whole lot of heft to these, while there is quite a bit of density in the foam. So definitely something that's worth checking out for anybody who is in the market to add some yoga blocks to their yoga setup.